Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about closure of a set of functional dependencies. Suppose f is a given set of functional dependencies, we can prove that certain other functional dependencies are also hold. We say that such functional dependencies are logically implied by f. It will be clear after this example. Suppose a relation schema R is given to us and it has attributes A, B, C, G, H, and I. And along with this relations schema R, a set of functional dependencies are also given to us. That set has these dependencies. A implies B, A implies C, CG implies H, CG implies I, and B implies H. Now, in this case, this functional dependency A implies H is logically implied. Now I will prove how this functional dependency A implies H is logically implied. Now suppose there are two tuples T1 and T2 and these two tuples have same values of A. Since they have same values of A, they will also have same values of B because this functional dependency A implies B holds. Now, since these two tuples have same values of B, therefore they will also have same values of H because the functional dependency B implies H holds. Therefore, we have shown that whenever the two tuples T1 and T2 have same values of A, then they will also have same values of H. Therefore, the functional dependency A implies H also holds. So, here A implies H is an inferred or deduced functional dependency. Now let F be a set of functional dependencies. The closure of F is denoted by F plus and it is the set of all functional dependencies logically implied by F. Formally, the set of all functional dependencies that include F as well as all functional dependencies that can be inferred from F is called the closure of F and it is denoted by F plus. A set of inference rules can be used to infer new dependencies from a given set of dependencies. We use this notation, right? We use this notation to denote the functional dependency x implies y is inferred from the set of functional dependencies in F. Now these are the inference rules. First inference rule is it is called reflexive rules and it states that if y is a subset of x, then this functional dependency x implies y holds. Second is augmentation rule, and according to this rule, if the functional dependency x implies y holds, then xz implies yz. This can be deduced from this functional dependency. Third is transitive rule. According to this rule, if x implies y and y implies z, these two functional dependencies holds, then x implies z. This functional dependency will also be hold. This functional dependency x implies z. It is deduced from these two functional dependencies. Now the fourth is decomposition or projective rule. Now, if x implies yz holds, then x implies y will also hold. Fifth inference rule is union or additive rule. According to this rule, if x implies y and x implies z, these functional dependencies hold, then x implies yz will also hold. Now, the sixth rule is pseudo-transitive rule. According to this rule, if x implies y and wy implies z, holds, then Wx implies Z. This functional dependency also holds. Equivalence of sets of functional dependencies. Two sets of functional dependencies E and F are equivalent if their closure are equal.